DunnZWorld, I'm done. If you're new here, I'm gonna give you a kiss, give you a hug, and tell you welcome. You love it here. And if you're returning, welcome back, fam. So y'all, today I am back with another video. All right, I will be reviewing the CROCS fur boots. You're probably wondering now, what the hell are the CROCS fur boots? No need to worry or be concerned. Rest assured, this is what they look like. All right, I ordered these shoes around the beginning of December, had them for about a week now. All right, and now I'm about to give you guys the review on these boots. Now, with that being said, you already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you stay in the loop whenever I post a video. Make sure you're liking and sharing my videos. That way you can be inputted into the giveaway. All right, that is the only way that I will know that you've been watching my videos, if you're liking, commenting, and sharing them. Okay, the giveaway is slowly but surely approaching. All right, I will be at 2,000 subscribers before you even know it. So just make sure that you are liking, commenting, and sharing my videos. That way I see you, you see me, we see each other. Because how am I supposed to know who to give this gift to if you not presenting yourself? All right, that's all you got to do. Like, comment, share my videos, and I'll be able to see you. And that way you'll be able to get you a free little gifty gift. Rather it be a pair of shoes, a jacket, some socks, a hat, whatever. It's gonna go to you. But y'all already know what to do. All right, without further ado, let's get into it. The CROCS Crush Doodle fur boots are a statement piece that combines the signature CROCS comfort with a playful winter-ready design. They feature a faux fur-covered upper that's soft to the touch, a 2.2-inch platform heel for added height, and the iconic cross-like material that makes them lightweight and comfortable. These boots come in two classic colorways, the sepia colorway and the black colorway. I went on ahead and chose the sepia colorway, and I am completely content with choosing that specific color. As far as the black colorway goes, I have not seen any with the faux fur on them. That may be something that could possibly, possibly be released in the near future. But as of right now, the black colorway comes in just the regular foam rubber material. All right, the price tag on these boots are going for $85. I copped mine at about $60. I'm actually in a Facebook group that has a plethora of discounts on so many things: shoes, clothes, jewelry, bags, you name it. They are constantly talking about discounts and releasing deals on all types of shoes, sneakers, fear of God. A good friend of mine from school actually invited me into this group, so hey, thank you, my dog. Thank you, appreciate you. If I really sat there and literally looked at every single post and bought every single, I'd probably be broke by now. I'd be broke. I mean, that's how many deals are being put out, and it's not like deals that people are hosting. It's just deals that people are, like, information links that they're putting in this Facebook group. And I'm just like, yo, like, this is crazy. Like, New Balances, the 9060s going for like $50, like Fear of God going for like $70. I'm just like, bro, like, this is crazy. But anywho, that's not what this video is about. These boots do run true to size. I went on ahead and purchased a size 9, which is my actual size. If you've ever owned a pair of Crocs, then you will know that they normally do run pretty well as far as a true to size aspect. Now, to be for sure, go ahead and head over to the Crocs website and check out their size chart just to have an idea of what they will look like on your feet, okay? You can purchase these boots from the Crocs website. You can purchase them from Amazon as well as other retail stores, all right? One of the standout features of these boots is the material. The upper is covered in soft faux fur, giving it a stylish and cozy vibe that's perfect for colder months. The cross-like resin base, a Crocs staple, keeps the boots lightweight and molds to the shape of your feet over time for a custom fit. And let's not forget the sole, which is textured for added grip, making these boots functional and fashionable. Now, as far as these boots go, they do give me height, a lot of it at that. So I do have two pair of Crocs, all right? Now, they are these that I purchased, the boots, all right? And then I also have the Balenciaga and Croc collab clogs, okay, because I just could not pass up on these, all right? So these are the Balenciaga, which they a little dirty, you know what I'm saying? But these are the Balenciaga and Croc collab clogs. Now, I kid you not, every time I wear these goddamn clogs, I be about to roll my ankle. All right. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'm just not used to being that high up or having that much height, but y'all, be about to bust my ass and break my ankles too. It's ridiculous because I don't walk fast. I don't run in these. You know, I'm a smooth walker. If you know me, you know I'm a smooth walker. So every time, I kid you not, I be about to bust my ass. But anyways, back to the boots though, because this is what we are here to talk about. Now, I have not worn these outside of this house. I've only tried them on and they are very much so comfortable, all right? But like I said, they do give me that height. Fortunately, I know for a fact that I will not have to worry about rolling my ankle in these because I actually have the support, which is this high top area right here, all right? So unfortunately, the clogs don't have that. So every time I wear those, there's a lot at stake and there's a lot that's in jeopardy, all right? In which I rarely wear these anyway. I've been trying to get into wearing them more, but I really don't go nowhere, y'all. I really don't go nowhere. But yeah, that right there is the biggest takeaway that I can say about these clogs. So in reference to these clogs, so these Croc boots are a part of a fur collection. So you have the boots, you have the slides, you have the clogs, and then you just have the regular Croc shoe with fur on it, all right? And so the rest of them to me seem like a girl shoe. Not to say that I'm not a woman or a girl, but I did not find anything extravagant about them. To me, they just seem strictly like a very feminine shoe, even down to the slide. To me, it just seemed like something, you know, that someone a more dainty and prissiness would wear, you know, not me, you know, tomboy me. But these right here, I was just like, baby, these are the ones. And I like the fact that they have the Croc logo on the back. I mean, I almost missed it, honestly. I literally noticed this when I was filming this video and I was just like, yo, that's hard. That's crazy hard. So now as far as the fur collection goes, Jesus Christ, this camera is overheating. So as far as the fur collection goes, they do have the clogs, the slides, and just the regular Crocs in black as well, as you can see. But these are the Balenciaga. You probably won't find these on the Croc website because this is like a different type of collab. You probably would have to go to a retailer to purchase these, like maybe Balenciaga themselves or like Gold or StockX, but you're not gonna find these on the Croc website. And if you do, kudos to you. These boots aren't just about comfort, they're also a fashion statement. Chunky and oversized footwear has been dominating the style scene for a while now, and the crushed Doodle fur boots fit right into that trend. They're perfect for adding a bold touch to any outfit. As far as styling these boots goes, y'all, I'm gonna tell you straight up, I could not see myself or try to piece it together to wear these with shorts. I love to wear shorts with boots with shorts. That's my thing. I love it, but just wasn't looking right, and maybe it just has to grow on me. Maybe I need to find a longer, more baggier pair of shorts. But as far as the shorts that I currently do have, they was not looking right with these boots, okay? But as far as everything else, as far as pants, just cargo pants, jeans, denim, oh, these are perfect. Sweatpants. So these boots are perfect for those type of garments, okay? Now I feel like I have went and rode the wave of just baggy pants for a while now. So I have a plethora of baggy pants. So between minimal, between these Yeezy sweatpants, between Boohoo Man, between Zara, I have a lot of baggy pants. So these literally fit perfectly into how and where I was going with styling my clothing. And I've been looking for a boot similar to this for a very long time. There are a pair of boots, which I probably have them right here, that I've been looking at, but I can't find them nowhere, y'all. I can't find them. They're nowhere to be found. I searched Google, I searched StockX, Gold. I cannot find these boots nowhere, and highly upset about it. And if I do find them, I'm still gonna purchase them. But I cannot find these boots nowhere. So when I seen that Crocs drop these bad boys, I was like, this will do. This will do. You know what? This will work for what I need and what I'm looking for, because right now I can't find what I really want. I can't. So this will do. And I actually like these. These are very... I just dropped the shoe. These are very lightweight, y'all. And that's another thing I wanted to add. These are very lightweight compared to these right here, in which these are a tad bit heavy. Feel like you got a rock on your heel. But yeah, these right here are very light. So along with the extra height, they also light on your feet, so you winning. It's a W all the way. All the way. So as far as caring for these boots and the aspect of keeping them clean, please avoid submerging them in any type of water. That should be obvious with any type of shoe, not just these. Shoe, sneaker, boot, what have you, slide. I don't know, some slides you probably could put the whole slide in some water, but avoid putting these and submerging them in water. Just spot clean them with a warm damp cloth and leave it as that, all right? Let them dry, good to go. But 9 times out of 10, I'm sure you all will already know not to even wear these out or wear these anywhere where it may just be wet, all right? These are strictly for just wearing out and about, cool, dry climate, all right? I don't even know if I really wear these in the summertime just because they are a fully covered shoe, foam rubber at that. 9 times out of 10, my feet are probably gonna sweat. So I would not wear these in the summertime, strictly fall and winter, okay? We're gonna leave it just as that. If you are interested in purchasing these boots, they are going for $85. Now, you may be able to find them a bit cheaper, as I did, which was about $59.99, but plus tax, I think it was like $65 or something like that. All right, shipping and handling, all that jazz. But you can find these at Amazon, the CROCS website, of course, Foot Locker, and kind of iffy with the Foot Locker because I don't know if they'll really have them in store, but I'm sure they should be able to have them online. But if not, you can easily just type in the crushed Doodle fur boots online, and boom, you'll have different types of options of where you can purchase these shoes from, all right?
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Why is... Alexa, nobody even asked you anything. What are you talking about? How you just talking in my video? I ain't even say nothing to you. This is outrageous. You just as bad as Siri. Anywho, so you ask, are the CROCS crushed fur Doodle boots worth it? I'm gonna have to say yes. I am definitely gonna have to say yes. They are worth every bit of the $65 that I spent. And if you were to go purchase them for the $85, I would definitely say they are very much so worth it, all right? Comfortability, how you can style them, the look. I mean, it's the whole 9, okay? I absolutely love these boots. There's not a shoe that I purchased that I'm gonna say I don't like because I'm purchasing because I actually like them. I'm purchasing because I actually want to wear them, all right? So if you hear me say, damn, you think all your shoes is comfortable and are nice, yes, because I actually like them. I'm not one of those type of content creators that's just gonna buy a shoe just to review it and send it back. No, I'm buying it because I want it. That's just how I think, and that's just how I go about my purchases, all right? So hopefully you guys found some value in this video as far as these CROCS boots. Hopefully I was able to answer some of your questions, but if you have any more, go ahead and drop it in the comment below. As I stated previously in this video, early in this video as well, you need to be liking, commenting, and sharing my videos. That way you can be entered into the giveaway, all right? I'm not gonna tell y'all what I'm giving away. You will find out what the giveaway is gonna be whenever you find out you have won, all right? So make sure you are liking, commenting, and sharing my videos, okay? That's the only way I'm gonna know you. That's the only way I'm gonna see you. If I don't see you, how am I supposed to know who to get a gift to? As I stated earlier in the video, how am I supposed to know? I'm not a mind reader. You gotta meet me halfway. So the way that you can meet me halfway is by doing what? Liking, commenting, and sharing my videos, all right? You already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you stay in the loop whenever I post a video. Go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. And as always, fam, peace.
I keep trying for you. I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. I gave you all that I have inside. And you took my love. You took my love. Call me when you need some. Call me when you need. Didn't I tell you what I believe? Did somebody say that a love like that won't last? Didn't I give you all that I got to give, baby? I I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. I gave you all that I have inside, and you took my